Good morning, Katripers! So yan, pipick upin ko na yung cake ni Ella at bibili pa ng mga kulang. May mga kulang pang hindi ako nabili nung kahapon. So tara, punta na tayo. Ngayong may sasakyan ako kasi dinala ni Daryl sa work. Maganda yung araw. So 8:24 na. And tara, ayan guys, yung cake ni Ella. Mami! Yung cake ni Ella. So yan, ganda rin. Umiilaw yung ano niya pag nilagay sa tubig yata.
One eternity later.
Oh, si Daddy na lang!
One eternity later.
Ayaw! Okay na ako! Naantok na nga ako eh. Are you happy, Ella? You want to swim here every day?
Yes.
Okay. Ella! Say hi! Nandun ako. Oy, wag! You go there.
Why go there?
Alis na kami, guys. Oh, go, go. We're gonna meet Daddy at the end. Here, here, here. Here. Go directly. Are you happy? Oh, yung birthday girl, oh.
Why go there?
Ayan. Did you enjoy Kaden naman? So,
I didn't finish the cake.
you're gonna eat cake later?
I'm gonna eat cake.
Kinain mo ba yung cake? Hintok ako. Hindi ko pa natikman. So, yan guys. Paalis na tayo dito sa
I
ano.
want cell phone.
Yes, later anak.
Not later.
Ang ganda dito. Okay din. Pwede pala tayo dito tumambay,
No,
no?
I want cell phone now, not later.
O, iwan na natin dito si Kaden.
But I want cell phone.
Man, there's no internet here.
No, have it in dollar drama.
No.
Saglit lang ako doon. I'll just gonna buy ano, cover ng ano.
Sinabi doon.
Kasi nga, tutuloy namin ang session sa bahay.
No, not cell phone again.
Ayan guys. So nakakaantok. Anong oras na ba? Oh, mag-alas 4 na. So yung mga iba hahabol na lang mamaya. Tutuloy namin ang party ni Ella. O dahan-dahan ka, may bata. Buti na lang maganda yung panahon. Nagbebenta doon ng lemonade. Ang galing. So may, you know, Kaden, no? The spray pad.
Let's go get the Mario.
Ay, sus! You ask your dad.
Daddy, can you go this way with the Mario? Please.
I have work tomorrow.
No, Mommy and Della were body cam. Daddy will drop us, then Daddy go to work.
Okay, and then you're going to walk home.
Ay, nako. Tapos magpapabuhat si Ella. Wag na. Sorry. Thank you.
Dali natin yung stroller.
Ay nako.
Wag ganyan.
Para akong kalabaw na nanghihila ng ano.
Exercise yun.
Ay nako. Hindi na nga ako nag-exercise eh.
One eternity later.
I want to share.
You want to share?
Yes.
Share your gifts?
Yes, I want to share a gift for Taya.
What will you say to everyone who gave you gift? What will you say?
Ella.
You say thank you na.
Ella, say thank you.
Excuse me po.
Thank me. Ella,
You say thank you po.
Ella, say it.
Ella, say it.
You're welcome.
Ay naku, nag-welcome na. You say thank you everyone
Thank you everyone
for attending
for attending
my
my
birthday
birthday
party.
party.
Are you happy today? Are you happy today? Ay sus, you have lots of gifts?
Yes, I can share it to Kaya.
Wow. Oh, later, I'll wait the other gifts pa.
Wait, I thought.
Yes.
Oh, Daddy.
Oh, you help daddy na.
Me too.
Ayan na si Ella. Oh, excited. Oh, ang lakas pala ni Ella. Wow. Wow, so nice. Wow. Oh, si Daryl. Tingnan Santa Claus. Oh my God. Lots of gifts.
Let's open them.
Wait,
Ella, open the gifts. I can open all of them today.
Yes.
I know.
Oh no. Oh, pick it up. Oh, tatanggalin pa ni Daryl. Nilagay namin dyan kasi wala kaming
Which
paglagyan
gifts
na
will
isa.
open first?
Oh, later, let's open their names and say thank you to everyone who give you the gift, ha?
This is my gift.
Yeah. What will you say to everyone?
Tita.
Oh, you blow a kiss. Blow a kiss to everyone. Uy, blow a kiss na.
And I want to blow a gift for my friends.
Yeah. Ayun
Thank
ako.
you, friends. Tika friends. Thank you, friends, for giving Ella our gifts for Ella.
Our gifts. Bakit mo sinama? Hindi ka naman kasama, bebe.
Makikilaro. Sige, upo ka dyan, Ella.
Oh, you sit na there. Oh, the princess. Ay, take a picture.
The
Wait lang.
princess of gifts.
The princess of gifts. Oh, umalis na si daddy dyan.
Let's open this one first.
Oh, let's start na.
I want to help Ella.
Oh, you read muna. You read.
Wait.
I will read this one.
Wait lang, Kayden. It's Ella. Oh, read.
Which one do you like?
Okay,
get
get
it.
that. Oh, be careful. Wow! Yan yung galing kay... Oh, you read mo muna kanino galing.
Who bought it?
Kay Tita Army yan, naalala ko. Okay.
Why
Thank you, Tita Army.
How did the army give it?
Oh, see? You have lots of...
How did the army get it?
Oh, of course, she bought it in the... Ano?
But the army didn't. It wasn't to find it. I can't open it. The army
You
wasn't to
cannot
find
open it?
The army.
Oh, Ella, smile. Smile first. Ella, smile. Smile.
I'm going to open this.
You want that gift?
Yes.
Yes.
I want to help.
Oh, yan na si Daddy. Oh, maano kayo sa ano, ah?
This is ours. This is ours. This is.
Ay, sa'yo ng bata.
Snip. Snip. Snip.
Excuse me, Kayden. Kayden, don't block the way. Itapon na yung ano, lock na yan. Wow! Kayden, come here.
Look at that.
Oh, that's mine. How about the other gifts? Are you gonna open it first?
Me. Because it says 40 and I love Ella.
Ay, sus. Oh, next one, Ella. You open first.
Do you want
Oy, tinotoast niya pa. Oh.
Do you want to open this one? Yes. This.
Oh, okay. Oh, get it. And then read the there's a note. Pull the note. Yan. Oh, read it, Kaden.
Happy third birthday
From
Tito R.
and
Tita
Dina.
Tina.
Oh, from Tito Earl and Tita Vina. Thank you. You will say thank you muna.
Oh, okay na. Oh. Remove the
I want to help Ella. No, that's my gift. But,
Ay,
Okay,
sus.
okay
but
na.
I love you, Ella. But no, that's my gift. Ella doesn't love me.
Oh, you sit down. Huh?
Oh, wait natin yung gift. Oh, you say Tito. Thank you, Tito Earl and Tita Vina.
Nakalimutan niya.
Ala, na-excite lang. Babaita. Ay, sus. Tingnan mo yung expression niya, oh.
I can see it.
Ang galing nang mag-open, ah.
Opening this.
Oh, bilis, bilis.
Surprise po.
Wow.
What is it?
Wow,
What
what is
is
it?
Open this one. This one.
See.
Oh,
Remove
bilis,
this. Remove this.
bilis.
Okay.
Microwave.
Microwave. Ay, wow. Nakalak pa, anak. Oh, wait lang. Masisira
Wait.
naman. Oh, give to daddy. What
Okay.
will you say?
What are you
Ella.
going to say, Ella?
Ala, na-excite siya. Ay, sus.
Let's open the other gift first.
Oh,
Put it
Okay,
on the
thank
side.
you po. Makokompleto na po yung kitchen ni Ella.
And that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ella has
Ella,
a
which
question.
one do
Which
you want?
one?
Oh. Ay, sus.
Choose the one here.
Which one? Which one?
The present here. The colorful one.
Okay. You read?
Oh, you read it first. Kuya.
Okay.
Give it to Kuya. Kuya will read it.
No, I will.
Oh. Ay, I will. Sige nga,
Oh,
read
read
mo
it.
nga.
Ella doesn't know.
From?
Huh?
Read it na.
Let me see.
Ella.
Kuya. Kuya Kaydan, read it.
Oh no. You have one. Then mommy, you eat it.
Oh, akin na. I can read it. Thank you, baby. Happy birthday to you. Oy, from to Ella, from Ate Mia and Zoe. Thank you.
Oh,
Oy, mamaya
Ella,
na yan. Buksan mo
Open
muna
it.
to, oh. Ella,
Ella,
open this
open
one.
this. Ella, turn it.
I love Ella. I love
I know. I know.
Hey, Ella, I want to help you. How will help me? Yay!
Okay.
Wow!
Selfie card. A selfie card.
What's that?
A
Oh, what will
selfie
you
card.
say? Oh, what will you say? Oh, show it. Show it na. Wow, so big shopping cart nga. Ang cute.
Put it on the side.
Okay. Thank you, Ate Mia and Zoe. Okay, you want that
Okay,
too?
what's
Mamaya na yung microwave, anak.
Choose.
Choose one muna. Dami ka pang i-open eh.
Choose.
May naiinggit.
Next
Uy,
week ka na
uy,
bumawi.
Uy. Which one? Which one?
This one?
Yes.
Wow, I read it. You love it?
You read it.
Oh,
There's a name. Oh, there's no name.
Who is it
Oh,
from?
from there.
Isa.
Oh, from
oh,
Ate
Ate Isa. That's from Ate Isa. Yay, sabi niya.
Can you open it?
Oh, you open
Yeah.
it.
I'll help you. Come on. Nakatape.
I want to do this first.
Wow!
A teaser for Ella.
Wow.
Wow! Uy, uy!
Okay, let's put it on the side.
It's Barbie!
It's done.
Is it Barbie?
Sana.
Thank you, Ate Isa. Wow, sexy naman. Oh, wait mo lang yung microwave, anak.
Which one next?
Oh, next, Ella.
There's more.
Ella, do you want that one? What? The one over there? Yes.
Wow,
This is a really big one.
the big one? Oh my God, it's so big.
It's from...
Oh, read it first.
Oh, read it.
To Ella.
To Ella.
Oh, read Kaden.
From
No, this one. What's this?
Happy Birthday
Okay.
from Zoe and Liam.
Sian. Kuya
I don't-
Sian.
Sian.
What's inside?
Oh my God, so big. Ala, ala, excited no.
Here.
I said it says
Wow, so
It's a
big.
big what?
Big go.
So cute.
Oh.
Oh,
How
so
big is
shy.
now?
Oh,
The
no, you
biggest-
have a camping chair.
And the umbrella.
Oh, what will you say?
And the
Thank
umbrella.
you.
And the umbrella. this one? Now Ella has 2 camping
Uy,
chairs.
uy, wow. There's a note, Ella. Happy birthday,
I want to do this one. Ella.
Ella, from Zoe. Wow, this one is nice. Okay then.
It's a picture.
Yeah, picture. Wow. Thank you, Ate Zoe.
May payong pa yung upuan niya.
And the umbrella in case for emergency.
Ang social
Now
naman.
Ella has 2 chairs.
Yes.
The one for emergency and one for
Ang
camping.
cute nung cow. Parang ako yung may gusto sa
The
cow.
giant cow.
Ah, Ella, next. Which one?
Ooh. I don't want.
Ay.
You don't know? Use this one na lang. Oh. Okay then.
Wow, from Kuya Alonso.
That's one of my friends.
Pull it. Pull it.
Tulungan mo na siya.
Huh? It's not that noisy. Why is it not? Huh? A hat?
Wow.
It's another one.
Wow. Wow,
It's another
sexy.
Oh.
Sexy mo naman, Ella.
Siguro
Thank you
naman,
po,
pipiliin
Kuya
mo na to,
Alonso.
Ella.
Kasi pink.
I need it.
Oh, buksan mo na nga daw yung microwave niya. Hindi na mapakali. Lakas mo makatita, Ella, ha? Are you gonna cook?
And something for me that's yummy.
Gustong gusto niya yung ano, oh.
Yay! Ella, look me. Ella, look that the tomato ketchup.
Kay Tito Earl yan, no? Ang ganda, oh.
It's more kitchen set. There's more.
Ay!
Nagkalat na. Explosion.
Here, Ella.
It's explosion. Let's make a popcorn. Oh no.
Let's make a burger na daw. Huy, you open the other gifts first, Ella.
But I want this one.
Oh,
Yeah.
Hindi tutulungan ka ni Kuya na.
Oh, put it there. Oh, ang dami niya ng collection. Thank you po.
Ella.
Mm.
Let's open the gift now.
Did you enjoy?
Hmm.
Okay, so nice.
Okay, ito na lang oh.
Oh, this one is from Tita Gina.
Ella.
Oh, did you say hi to Tita Gina kanina?
No.
No?
No. I didn't. I didn't saw her.
Ay, you didn't saw Tita Gina?
Yes.
Ayan na, yan na, yan na, Ella.
Loko.
Wow! Uy, pang sexy! Ang sexy
Oh,
naman.
what's this, Ella?
Uy, Ella!
Oh,
I need to make
is that a bear?
Oh,
A
oh.
little bear.
Wow, ang sexy!
Ganda pang
Thank you, Tita Gina. Busy na po yung isa, oh. Oh, next.
Next.
Ayan yung kay Ate Zoe rin. Extra na ano.
Mm-mm.
Why this do?
Of course. Oh, open mo na.
Why is it not
Wow.
gift for Ella?
Ha?
Why is it not for Why there's no gifts?
There's gifts.
Why there's
Wow, pang
Why there's a
summer.
few toys? Why there's a
Thank you,
few
Ate
toys?
Zoe.
Why there's a few toys?
No, there's lots of toys na. Oh, tingnan mo nga. Dami ng toys. Oh, tingnan mo, oh.
And we don't want this.
Na-busy na po yung birthday girl.
Santa Nicholas.
Ayan. Oy, kay Kuya Franco. Look,
my-
oh.
one of my
Sinulat pa ni Kuya Franco. Oh, ang galing naman. Thank you, Kuya Franco. Kami na yung nagbubukas kasi yung isa busy na. Wow! Ah! What's that?
And a baby.
And,
Ano? What? Ay,
Take out the baby,
oh,
Ella.
may t-shirt
ay, kinis pa niya. Ay, thank you, Kuya
Okay.
Franco. O, yung baby mo, ilagay mo dito.
Okay,
Next.
next. Ano na lang nasa harap?
Oo. Happy birthday, Ella, from Ate O, Tito Albert, and Tita Tin. Wow,
Yes,
thank
Ate
you.
O.
Ate O.
That's
The pretty ate, kanina, with the short hair.
Ella, Ella.
Wow!
Ella.
Ella!
Look. This one.
Oh my God! So cute!
Excuse me, mommy.
Ay, lollipop!
Yan ang nakita niya.
Oh, ay, binigay sa kuya.
Oh, look, oh.
Yes.
Wow! Si Daryl na po guys ang mag-e-enjoy.
Look, we have two babies.
Yeah.
Oh, there's some music.
Ella, what is?
Okay, Daddy will eat that, okay?
But I want to. We need to pick
Let's put it
Oh,
there
you
first.
put it there. Open muna.
one more.
Oh, look. Oh.
Oh, game na. Wow! What will you say, Ella?
Ella.
Oh, ito.
Hello, didn't die.
Ayan na. Dali, dali,
Kaya
dali.
ano yata ito.
I went to the iPad.
Okay.
Wow!
Kila Mark.
Ah, kay na Ate Lani. Uy, ang taray, dress. Ay, kaya sabi ni Ate Lani, dress pa naman yung binili ko.
Ay, masusuot niya to.
Ay, oo.
Mapipilit natin to.
Thank you, Carino family. Wala na akong boses. Nasobrahan na naman sa kakatawa. O, yun. Alam ko kay Ikit yun. What?
I should cost this.
Oh,
Wait lang.
Akin
Ayun
na.
Dito.
dun. Yata, oo. Oh, Ella, you open this one. It's a big surprise too.
Ella, big surprise.
Bilis, Ella.
Ella.
Ella, come here. Later na yan.
Later.
Go.
Pull it.
Open it. Ay, bilis. Oh my God, what's that? Ah! Wow!
Sunglass.
What? Social? Alam. Oh my God, what's this one?
That's it.
Oy,
that?
what's that? What's this? Ella, what's this? Kinis niya
Monkey.
lang. Oh, that's a new monkey.
And yung monkey, oh.
Now this.
Ay, you want this?
No, yeah, this.
I like this daw. Oh, may anak na yung monkey. Ay, sus! Pinagkikis niya na. What will you say? Thank you.
Okay.
Ang cute ng monkey. May anak na yung monkey niya.
Ah, ito.
Next.
Lasso. Ah, ito.
Are you happy naman, Ella?
Mm.
O, kanino
Kasi-
yan? Kanino galing? You say thank you. Happy birthday, Ella. Love, Nirvana and CJ. Wow.
Yan,
Wow.
ganda. Butterfly, oh.
Ay!
Oy!
Ask him.
Ice cream?
I like ask him.
You like ice
Oh,
cream?
ice
Ice cream nga.
Open this.
Okay, dito muna.
Mm.
And, oh.
Wow.
I want to
Pang,
Pink na pink.
may terno ka
thank
na
you.
naman.
You say thank you.
Take
Oh, where's your baby monkey?
there.
Oh,
There?
last one.
Last one, open it.
There's a gift over there.
No.
Which one? Oo, meron pa dun, oh.
Ano
Yata.
pinaglagyan natin ng ano,
Ay.
giveaway? Ah,
Oh, go. Wow, happy birthday, Ella, from Team Mata.
magkasama sila. Akala ko iwalay.
Ay, ang laki naman. Ang cute din.
Ice cream mo.
Ay, ice cream too.
Holding nga ice cream.
Grabe naman itong batang to namin lahat. Oh, what will you say na? Are you happy? Are you happy with your gifts? Oh my God.
Hindi na makapili kung alin.
Salamat. Salamat po sa lahat ng nagbigay ng gifts. Salamat sa anak ng monkey ni Ella. Salamat sa mga damit. Salamat sa camping chair. Open mo nga yun. Gusto kong makita.
Wait, ala.
You can use that in the camping, oh. Tapos may note pa si Ate Ate Zoe. This is the lollipop, oh. You kissed the monkey kanina? Ay, Jesus! Wow, Ella! Look, you can sit down. Ella, sit na.
No.
Oh, pag pupunta ka ng beach, oh.
Ala,
Oh, go, sit down. Oh, go, sit.
But I want my food.
You want your food too?
You have a thing with this.
Go, sit down. Ay, taray.
Baby blue. Here. But my
Kaden, wait lang.
baby blue.
Because there's something there. Wait lang. Oy! Wow! Umbrella. Ay, sus. Smile, Ella. Smile. Ang gulo na. Hindi na natin maano.
Okay.
Ella,
Ella.
smile.
Wait, Kiden.
Okay na. What will you say na?
Tito.
Thank you, everyone. Happy na siya. Thank you, guys. Thank you din sa lahat ng umattend and sa lahat na nag-send ng birthday gift kay Ella. Appreciate po namin lahat yon. Yung pagpunta nyo, malaking bagay na rin yun sa amin. Uy, mag-thank you ka, Daryl.
Thank you.
If you're going to grocery, oh, ang galing naman ng grocery niya. Happy? Yes?
Ayun yun ang walang laman.
Oh, put it there na. Oh, you're gonna do your, grocery na. What's that? Ay! Hala ka. Hindi mo alam yung mga, box